All right, so welcome to question 16, ladies and gentlemen, of section 3.1. We have another question involving square roots. However, if you look at this square root, there's no polynomial under either one of these square roots. The only thing under these square roots is a constant, which means it's just some number. I mean, root 2 is equal to 1.4168, I think. So long story short, it's basically like you had the number 3 in front of the w, minus 3. You can just pretend it's that if you want and treat it the exact same way. Now remember, the derivative of a constant is just 0, and the derivative of a first degree polynomial is just 1. And of course, identify what you have in your question is the third step of the strategy. And remember that root 2 is just a constant. All right, so with that being said, we have root 2, or sorry, you have root 2w, which is a first degree polynomial with a constant in front. So you can factor the root 2 in front of the d over dw, and the derivative of a first degree polynomial is just 1. So you have root 2 times 1, and that's just root 2. For the second part, you have a constant, and the derivative of a constant is 0. So you have root 2 minus 0 is just simply root 2. So the derivative of h with respect to w is just root 2. That simple, that easy. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll be uploading some more videos in the future from this chapter. So you might want to subscribe so you don't miss those if you're working your way through the chapter, and hopefully you remember the takeaway. The takeaway is that you don't have to do anything special when you have a square root unless there's a polynomial under the square root. Otherwise, you just treat it like a constant. Thank you for watching. If you have a specific problem you need some help with, consider screen capping it, uploading it to an image sharing website, and adding it in the comments. And if you do that, I'll try and see if I can help you out with it. Thank you. Goodbye.